All right, we're doing the Truly Strawberry Lemonade Hard Seltzer. A little too close.
Yeah.
5% alcohol. Oh, damn, that smells good.
Doesn't smell very lemonade-y, though.
Very strong strawberry. Damn.
That's good.
Yeah, it is good.
Tastes kind of like country time strawberry lemonade now. Like fresh berry and fresh lemon.
Yeah.
Boy, it's refreshing, though. Whew, man.
Yeah.
After a lot of beers or something, you know?
Yeah, some palate cleanser
Yeah,
right there.
it's really refreshing.
This would go good with water. Mix it in with a little water and you lighten it up a little bit. Maybe you make a picture of it.
Yeah.
Put 2 or 3 of these in there with a little bit of water. Throw a lemon or 2 in there. Be fucking nice and light. You could drink it all day at that point.
Yeah. I like to, make some vinaigrette with it or something and do like a smoked chicken salad with some bitter greens, and
Yeah, there
this
you
would
go.
be a good pairing for it too. You can even put fruit into the salad, you know. It is refreshing, man. It's a nice change.
Go good with some of the desserts too. Like
Yeah, any kind of puff pastry stuff, or you know, like flaky crust kind of pies and tarts and things.
cream-filled donut.
Yeah, do some like cannolis, strawberry cream filling in the
Oh,
cannolis.
yeah.
It'd be good. Like some
Absolutely.
strawberry chocolate or something. Sponge cake and yeah, fresh strawberries and stuff.
Berry pie too. Like even an apple pie.
Yeah,
Go good with that.
yeah,
With some like spice in it.
yeah. I mean, it's good.
Nutmeg.
Summer after, some of these out in the desert would have been good.
Oh shit. We're taking these out there.
I think it's pretty fucking good.
Yeah. Pretty awesome.
Yeah. Love to see it with like a smoked chicken salad or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty versatile because it's so light with the fruit and the lemon and
Also, this would be good with like some sort of honey glazed barbecue type of sauce.
yeah,
Like anything
Yeah.
like chicken, pork,
totally.
ribs, you know?
Yeah. Yep.